How to find your original Windows 11 or Windows 10 activation key. Your PC has a hidden secret. Every modern computer from brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, and Asus comes with a Windows key stored deep inside the motherboard. No stickers, no codes to type. Since 2012, manufacturers have been saving your Windows license digitally in the BIOS or UEFI using a system called OEM Activation 3.0. This gives you a big advantage. Windows activates itself automatically once you go online. You can reinstall or reset your system as many times as you want, and your license will always stay safe because it is tied directly to the motherboard. Keep watching because I am about to show you how to reveal this built-in digital key and confirm the Windows edition your PC originally came with. This works perfectly on Windows 10 and Windows 11 across all major brands, so you do not want to miss a single step. To find your original Windows 10 or Windows 11 product key or activation key, there is an important detail you need to know. Your laptop or PC comes with a default Windows edition, and the OEM activation key for that edition is embedded in the motherboard. There are a few ways to check the default edition of your Windows. For instance, if you right-click the Windows icon and select System, you can see the edition currently in use. In my case, it shows Windows 11 Home. If your default edition has changed due to installations or upgrades, do not worry. I will show you how to find it. Start by opening Windows PowerShell as administrator. Then type the following command and press enter. If you are using Windows 11 Home or Pro and the command returns a key, that's your embedded OEM key. It is important to note that this key only works for your default Windows edition. For example, if your default Windows edition is Windows 11 Home, the key cannot activate Windows 11 Pro. This key will only activate the edition that originally came with your PC. Go to Windows Settings, select System, scroll down, then click on Activation. Go ahead and activate your Windows using your OEM key. Paste or enter your product key here. Click Next, then click on Activate. If you enter your OEM key and Windows does not activate, it means your current edition is not your default Windows edition. For example, if you are running Windows 11 Home and it is not your default Windows edition, you will need to upgrade it to Windows 11 Pro. Here's how to do it. Open Windows Settings, select System, then scroll down and click on Activation. Before you proceed, make sure your internet connection is disconnected. Next, click on Upgrade your edition of Windows, then select Change Product Key and enter the following key. I will include this key in the description so you can easily copy and paste it. After entering the key, click Next. You will see a message prompting you to upgrade your edition of Windows. Click Start to begin the upgrade. The system will prepare the upgrade and automatically restart. You can also watch my full video for a detailed step-by-step walkthrough. Now, if you are running Windows 11 Pro and it is not your default Windows edition, the process is reversed. You will need to downgrade Windows 11 Pro to Home to match your OEM key. Here's how to do it. Download the latest Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Go to your web browser and search for Windows 11 download. Make sure you download the latest version. Scroll down and find Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Scroll down and select your product language. You will need to choose the same language when you install Windows. To see what language you are currently using, go to Time and Language in PC Settings. Once you see your product language, Select it, then click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Our ISO file is now downloading. Once your download finishes, search for registry editor on the Windows search icon. Make sure to run it as administrator. In the registry, look for HKey local machine. Then click on software, then Microsoft. We are going to scroll all the way down here to Windows NT. Then click on current version. Here, there are two areas that I'm going to modify: the product name and the edition ID. The product name, right now it says Windows 10 Pro. Double click on it. I'm going to change it from Pro to Home. Now the edition ID says Professional. I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to change it to Core. I'm going to close the registry. Next, locate the ISO file you downloaded. Right click on it, then mount it. Make sure to note your drive letter. You can see mine is F. Now search for CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You are going to type this. Type your drive letter with colon and hit enter. Type dir to display the content of the mounted ISO. Type cd space sources to change the directory. You are going to type this command: setupprep.exe space / product server and hit enter. This will start prepping the Windows 11 setup. Click on change how the setup download update. Click on not right now and click on next. Accept the license terms. We are going to keep all personal files and apps, then click on next. At this point, we are ready to install. Now, as you can see here, we are going to be installing Windows 11 Home Edition. Now, after you have found the Windows Edition, whether being Home or Pro, if the key is embedded in the firmware, detect it again. Open PowerShell as administrator and type or paste this command carefully and hit enter. If this returns a key, that means the OEM key resides in the motherboard firmware. So that's your Windows activation key. Go to Windows settings, select system, scroll down and click on activation. Go ahead and activate your Windows using your OEM key. Paste or enter your product key here. Click next, then click on activate. Now, I will show you a command to verify if your Windows license is an OEM key. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Then type the following command and press enter: slmgr space / DLI. A small window will appear displaying license details. Check for a line that includes Windows Core Edition, Windows Operating System, OEM_DM channel, partial product key, license status. This confirms that your license is an OEM key. If you see this, it means your PC has a genuine OEM digital license permanently tied to its motherboard. It is authentic and completely safe. That's it. This is how you can find your original Windows 10 or Windows 11 activation key embedded directly in your motherboard. Your OEM key keeps Windows activated for life on that device, even after reset or reinstallations. Think of it as your PC's permanent digital identity. So make sure to copy it and store it safely. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. If you encounter any issues or get unexpected results, leave a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.